Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying which monitor is labeled 1 and which is 2 in your display settings, because that determines orientation and primary display. Once done, power down the monitors to avoid hot plug issues and unplug cables after shutdown. Make sure to label cables and ports so you don't create confusion when reconnecting. This first step reduces mistakes and speeds the process, allowing you to swap connections or change primary display assignments confidently without losing window positions or resolution settings. Now swap the physical connections. Move the cable from screen 1 to the screen 2 port and vice versa, using adapters if necessary. Boot your computer, open display settings, and click Detect so the OS recognizes the swapped devices. Then set each monitor's native resolution and refresh rate, because mismatches cause scaling issues. After that, drag the monitor icons to match their physical layout and designate the desired primary display. This ensures taskbar and app launches appear where you want them. Finish by confirming color calibration, scaling, and orientation so content looks consistent across both screens. Make sure night light or color profiles don't differ unexpectedly. Once done, restart any full-screen apps and reposition stray windows, because some applications remember the old display ID. If a monitor isn't detected or shows incorrect resolution, try a different cable or port, roll back or update the GPU driver, and reboot. That one troubleshooting tip: swap cables or ports first, quickly isolates whether it's hardware or software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.